students, see the next question from 9th standard, Force and Law of Motion chapter, NCERT example problem number, exercise problem number 11. See this question. Actually this question based on law of conservation of linear momentum concept. See the question, two objects each of mass 1.5 kilogram. So see that first we can write the given value. So two objects each of mass 1.5 kilogram are moving in the same straight line but in opposite direction. So two mass. So see that, let's take two masses. So it is a mass number 1. Okay, so let's say consider M1, but its mass is what? 1.5 kilogram. Like that, one more mass, the same mass, so its mass consider as M2, but it is the same magnitude, that is 1.5 kilogram. Both are same mass, that means M1 is equal to M2, right? But it is traveling in opposite direction. It is traveling with the opposite direction. So it is velocity. Okay, so its velocity is u1, its velocity is u2. Okay, the velocity of each object is 2.5 meter per second. So that means what? Both having same velocity. So 2.5 meter per second. This is also 2.5 meter per second. But here both will travel in opposite direction. Same mass, same velocity, but in opposite direction. So before the collision, okay, this is the situation before the collision, which they stick together. Okay, because it is traveling in opposite direction. So after joining together, what will be the velocity of this combined? Okay, so after collision, what about the final velocity? Asking final velocity of the system. Rendu onna sendadukapra enna velocity. So actually this diagram is, we can say, this is before collision. Okay, suppose after the collision what happened? This is object number 1, this is object number 2. So both will be joined together, stick together. So now we can say mass combinations of M1 plus M2 rendu onna sendiruchu. So the total mass is equal to 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3 kilogram. Then after joining together, some velocity is there. So that velocity asking. Rendu onna sendu or velocity ku pogunu solranga. Whether it is moving or not, we are going to find. Shall we find? Yes. So by using law of conservations of linear momentum. So please listen. So you know the formula, law of conservation of linear momentum, that is M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Okay, so this is, total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. Okay, then we know in this formula M value will be same, because M1 equal to M2. So I can write this formula as M U1 plus M U2 equal to M V1 plus M V2. Okay, so now M value, that is M1, or otherwise M common. Okay, so it will be common. So let's take outside. So M is very U1 plus U2 equal to, here also M is common. So remaining V1 plus V2. But we know after combining the system, okay, after the collision only one velocity, not two velocity, only one velocity. Okay, so now I can say that, listen, so both combine together to maintaining the same velocity. Okay, so in this side we can write V1, V2, okay, V1 and V2. Then mass value will be same, so I can write here, because M1 plus M2 is equal to capital M. Okay, so both combine together moving with the same velocity. Velocity rendu onna sendu ottuka pogum. Okay, so let us imagine velocity will be the same only, no? So I can write, here m1 v plus m2 v. So m1 plus m2, the common is v. Okay, இது கூட தனியா கூட வெச்சுக்கலாம், ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல, because you want to apply the two times. m1 m2 same, you know, so I can write m1. So m1 take outside. Okay, என்ன வேணும் செஞ்சீங்கன்னா m1 m2 னு போடலாம், m1 னு போடலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. Okay, because it will be the same value. Okay, இங்க m2 m1 equal to m2. அப்ப நான் என்ன பண்றேன், ஒரே m1 நான் வெளிய எடுத்துக்கிறேன். anything, because m1 equal to m2. Okay, right. So now, so please listen, m1 value. So m1 value what? That is a 1.5. So 1.5. Okay, and the next u1 also, what is that? 2.5. u1 is 2.5. But u2, you know, it is opposite direction. So minus 2.5. Okay, because it is a velocity having direction. So it is opposite direction. So here whatever it is. So m1 plus m2, you know, 3 kilogram. So 3 into v. You know, anyhow, 2.5, 0. 2.5 minus 2.5 is 0. So I can write 0 is equal to 3v. Okay, so I can write here, therefore v is equal to 0 meter per second. So that means if two objects with the same mass, with the same velocity, but traveling in opposite direction, so after joining together, its final velocity is 0. That is the question. Okay, அப்ப ரெண்டும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா சேம் மாஸ் இருக்கு, சேம் ஸ்பீட் இருக்கு, ஆனா டிராவல் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்போசிட் டைரக்ஷன்ல வந்து ரெண்டு ஒண்ணா ஜாயின் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும், ஃபைனல் வெலாசிட்டி 0. அது இந்த क्वेश्चन செஞ்சிட்டோம். Okay, I hope you understand this question. Thank you.